How to run apps on startup menu in Windows 11 or Windows 10. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can easily run apps on a startup menu so that whenever you turn on your PC, that apps would be automatically go open. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So to run apps on a startup in Windows 11, first of all you have to go click on your Windows icon and here search for run and click on this, and here you have to type shell colon and click on OK, and this window will open, and again you have to click on this icon and here search for again run and click on this app, and here now you have to search for apps folder and apps folder would be open. So if you want to add these apps to startup menu, you have to just drag this app to the next folder and this app would be added. Again, if you want to add calendar, you have to just click on this and here, and again if you want to automatically open CapCut, drag it to the this folder. So guys, in this way you can run apps on the starter menu in Windows 11 and Windows 10, so that whenever you turn on your PC, these apps would automatically go open. So if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.